Periodically, I upload a video entitled Prepper Spotlight. This is the fourth one, and it focuses on either channels or videos that I think are really good and people should watch. So, watch who I'm recommending, and please go check out these channels. Now, a while back I made a video on a grab-and-go dental kit because I think dental hygiene and health is pretty darn important in nowadays, not even thinking about the apocalypse when it would be very, very important. So I saw a video by Easy Prepper 101 that I thought was really neat. It's his mini dental kit, and I thought it was really clever, all the things that he fit inside a tin slightly larger than Altoid tin. You know, it's one of those puzzle tins. I think he got his at Target. I get mine at the dollar store, but they're a great tin. And he put in a lot of dental hygiene things that would come in handy every day, as well as in the SHTF. And I was amazed. He has 1,100 subs, yet only 45 people watch this video. So I don't understand why. Don't people value their dental hygiene? I know I do. The older they get, the more you're glad you still have your teeth, believe me. Anyway, check out Easy Prepper 101 and his mini dental kit. And I will leave a link here as well as below. Okay, the next one is a channel I've been watching for a long time, and that's called Hupel's Cat. And both he and his significant other are in the medical industry, the hospital in Canada, and he was focusing a two-part series on antibiotics, and especially antibiotics in an emergency. And it's really a great presentation. He has certain slides available too, which really nice. He will send these to you if you just email him, so you get a digital copy, or you can print it out, or you can do what I did, both. My digital copy goes in my Prepper University from John Lord, his tape backup, but this is a great thing to also have written. And I'm putting it along with my small stash of stored antibiotics, fish antibiotics. Like I said, I'm not really sold on using antibiotics if you really don't know what is wrong in an SHTF. Very often you couldn't do the lab test. But anyway, this is great. Maybe it's one of those scenarios, you know, where it's the end of the world and you can break into a drugstore and then you can get the right type of antibiotic and then you can know how to use it. So anyway, check out Hupel Cat's video, both videos, and his channel. I am sure this is a channel most of you have never heard of. It's called Living Chivalry, and it's got a subtitle, The Catholic Prepper. Now, there is some things that are to do with religion, and that's not why I want you to go to the channel, although if that interests you, that is fine. But he is doing a series which he calls his ARC series, and it's on food storage. And I really like how he has less than 4-minute videos on different like fats and oils and grains and milk and protein, you know, all those type of necessary things. And he's talking about putting it in a big container. It's his food ARC, and you can make multiple of these ARCs. Very, very easy to watch. I highly recommend it. And you know what? He has 10 subs. So really, the knowledge is there, and it's less than 4 minutes of video. So please check him out. Now, he also has a channel under the name Lawburn, and he is doing a neat cereal of Cheyenne. Cheyenne kind of looks like a Red Cross little radio, you know, portable radio, but she is an encapsulated AI tool, and it's great. He's got her, he's able, something has happened, I'm not sure what, but definitely an SHTF, maybe end of the world type situation, and he is learning how to prep with Cheyenne and how to deal with different situations. And that Cheyenne, she is one smart cookie. So I've really enjoyed these little cereals, along with Praxis Preppers Alien Invasion. But check out Lawborn and Cheyenne also. Now, you might remember that in my goals for this year, I want to learn 5 useful knots, and to be able to remember them and just to do them from muscle memory as opposed to always looking at a reference sheet. So one of the channels I'm watching right now is ITS's Knot of the Week. And they have simple knots such as square knots to, ones how to restrain somebody or how to make a carry-all from just ropes and knots. So very interesting. They have over 50 knots, I think, right now, videos. And it's a big channel, but you know what? This is great content. So check out ITS and the Knot of the Week. So if you missed it, Prepper Action has an excellent series going right now. So far 3 videos have been made. The 4th one is on the way, and it's surviving a nuclear detonation. And the first one's kind of telling you about the different bombs, a little bit about the history, the size of their blasts, and I'm sure he's going to be getting into what to do if you were in a nuclear blast area. So excellent series. It's very well made videos. I learned a lot and I enjoyed watching the videos, so check out Prepper Action. Okay, this one really isn't prepper related, but I really enjoy the videos Today I Found Out by Simon Whistler. It's called Brain Food, I think, for Hungry Minds. It's a different subject. Sometimes they're whimsical, sometimes funny, sometimes very factual and interesting. I mean, one was on the time Annie Oakley offered to put together a woman sniper team, all-female sniper team. And another one was who invented 6 Degrees of Kevin Bacon. I found out. I did not know. And there could be ones on what happens to your body when you donate it to science. So it's really a wide range of things, but it's put together factually and interesting, and Simon has a great voice, and he puts together very professional videos. So if you want a little edutainment, I guess, check out Today I Found Out. Well, that's it for my recommendations this week. But you know what? I would love to hear from you. If you found a great channel or a video that you think is particularly good, send me a link, because I am seeing a lot of videos out there which are people just kind of, blogging, talking, and some of it's interesting, but it doesn't have that much, which I call meat, content. So if you find something rich in content, let me know, and when I make Prepper Spotlight number 5, I'll feature it in that video, because that's how we all learn. Like I said, we learn from each other, and YouTube is a great way for that. So I hope you enjoyed my little Prepper Spotlight number 4. And as always, please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thank you for your support. Thumbs up if you like the video.